Next, after discussion, we have got media. When I click on that tab, here it shows me an option of the different sizes of media that you want to keep. So thumbnail size, what do you want to keep the thumbnail size? Now this is default WordPress size, which is 150 pixel by 150 pixel. That is 150 pixel of height and 150 pixel of width and 150 pixel of height. Crop thumb to exact dimension. Normally thumbs are proportional. Okay, so mainly if we just uncheck this thing, it will crop the thumbnail to the exact dimensions. Okay, normally thumbnails are going to be proportional. Medium size is going to be this, large size is going to be this. Okay, so what exactly is this? So whenever you upload any image on WordPress automatically resizes them in thumbnail, medium and large size. The advantage of this is that let's say for example, if you are adding a very large image, but you just want to use it in a small space, you can use a thumbnail instead of a large image, and it will take lesser time to load. The page will load faster if the image size is small. uh, as against if I'm let's say for example, if I'm uploading an image with a dimension of 2000 by 2000, and I just want to use it of a size of 150 by 150, that entire 2000 by 2000 image will take a lot of time to load, and eventually it will slow down my page. And thus WordPress has this beautiful feature of thumbnail size, medium size and large size. I personally keep these default settings and you do not play around with them. However, if you have some other preference, you can change the settings as per your requirement. Uploading the files. Now organize my uploads into month, year based folders. So if I uncheck this thing, the files that would be uploaded will not have the prefix of months and year folder name. One example that I can give you in here is the the URL. If you see here, it has got the year and the month. So similarly, whatever files we are going to upload will have the years and the months there. Let me just give you a small example. I'll just go to media. I'll just click on add new in a new tab. Here I'll just click on select file, and I'll just go to the desktop, and let me see if I've got some image. I've got one image which is there, the DNS probe. There's a ticket which I raised to the hosting complaining about something. Now I've uploaded this thing, and this is the image which is there, so it looks like a text. When I just open this image, this is the URL file URL which is there. When I just click on this thing and I open it in a new tab here, it is saving the image in 2020 in under the uploads folder. It has created a folder 2020 and with the month 04. Now this is mainly because I have checked this option. So in case you don't check this, it will be saved somewhere else. It will not follow the month and the year pattern. However, I personally recommend it to be in this manner, so it's easy to organize your images, and you can also download the images which you uploaded in the month of April and month of March and so on. So ideally you should not make any changes to the media unless you know what you're doing, and if you have some other preferences.